Alright, so I made this table in Fusion. Taking a class on Solidworks, and I've never really used Solidworks before. I played around with it in my last class for maybe 20 minutes. That was pretty much about it. But anyway, we're in the class, we're going over tables and or parameters, and I forget what they're called in Solidworks, but pretty much you can link a parameter to, like, I have it linked to a length here. That way I can change my table size without remodeling everything. And I played around with this in Fusion and it comes in handy. But one thing I do not like about Fusion after using SolidWorks is the ability to link a parameter in the description. So here I have in the description for this 2x4 right here is a length. I want it to show up as the actual length. In SolidWorks, you're able to do this. You can put a parameter in the description and it will show the actual length. This is where Fusion is falling short. So like, if I wanted to make a cut list, for example, in the description I would want the actual length of the 2x4 to know where to cut. In Fusion, there's no way to do this unless you actually type in the actual length. But then again, when you update your table, it's not going to auto-update the description and the cut list or build the materials. I know Fusion allows you to add add-ins. If anybody knows of an add-in for this to allow that to work like SolidWorks, please let me know, because that could be really, really handy. I'm really starting to like SolidWorks, but you really can't use it for personal use. I have a student edition for, I think it's good for a year. But, so I have been playing around with it, but I think Fusion's probably still where it's going to be at for at least like hobbyist use for somebody like me that doesn't really do it for work, just likes to play around in the garage. But, anyway, if anybody knows how to work around that problem, please let me know, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.